sky is about to fall down in Manhattan. Rain's coming pretty soon. Rain bike setup. Salmon cool stop pads. Front and rear brakes that stop you. Freewheel that's good. Gonna be good in all weather. Rear fender. Front fender optional. I just got a little one right there. And rain jacket. Lights. Gloves. You too can ride in the rain. It's not really raining right now, but it could. Just remember, it's a good idea to lower your tire pressure. I usually run these at 80, 85. I think I'm running them at 75 and 80 now. I could let some air out as well. I got a pump on the bike too. This is a quick ride, so if I do get stuck in the rain, I'm just gonna go home and shower. It's early in the morning right now, it's 7 a.m. Yeah, you can ride in the rain if you want, just gotta be careful. Fenders help, puncture resistant tires. Oh, shouldn't say that word. Brakes that actually stop you, whether they're old school rim brakes or disc brakes are not a problem in the rain, snow, whatever. Give it a shot. Flashing lights, gotta stay safe out there and ride slow. See you in a bit. Thanks for watching. It's pouring.